Awesome, Fun, and Frugal. I'm working my way back to my YouTube stuff. Thought I'd share a new meal that I'm making. I call it cauliflower mac and cheese because it's vegan, it's grain-free. I made my own vegan cheese, which I will share another video on that very soon. I didn't with the first one because I was experimenting, but I got it down and it came out great. So I'm going to do another video on making my own vegan cheese sauce. It came out wonderful. But you'll see that when I put it together with this meal. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm working on. I am sauteing some mushrooms. Stir these around a little bit. I'm using Bragg's amino acids, like a bit of soy sauce. I use this. Gonna give them a nice meaty taste. And then I like to use some seasoning that is called Gourmet Burger. I'll give it some more of a meaty taste. That finished simmering, I can turn the heat off. The great thing I like about these cast iron pans is even if you turn the heat off, it's still cooking. So you can turn the heat off before it's, done. And in here I have cauliflower, a whole pot of steamed cauliflower. I don't steam it quite all the way. Here's my cheese sauce. It's a little thick, so I'm going to thin it out with some more milk. I get another one. Now I put the mushrooms in my bowl. That's going to be my meat. And I get some cauliflower. And then here's the cheese sauce. I don't have a phone holder here. I moved it, so I forgot to show you pouring the cheese on, but you can see the cheese there. And then I added some store-bought vegan Parmesan to the top, and the mushrooms and cauliflower. And now I'm going to pop it in the microwave just for a minute or two. And it should be ready to enjoy. There it is. Delicious bowl of cheesy cauliflower mac. No noodles, no grains, just cauliflower, homemade cheese, the little store-bought sprinkled on, and mushrooms. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like mushrooms and want a healthy, vegan, inexpensive snack or meal that you can make for yourself, then there's a new idea for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you try something like this yourself.